focus on developing in things that allows you more options. If you look at your systems, people, processes, products, what can you do to create more options for the future? Because you may not know what happens in the future. So creating options is always confidence building action. And then finally, something that you build together. So you as a leader or you as an organization on a business, so that doesn't happen in isolation. So leaders, I really encourage them to kind of share the confidence that it's okay to not know and you can still be great and make progress and everything, but it doesn't require to be certain. So confident is being comfortable with not knowing.
Exactly. What a motivational speech. That really builds my confidence here as well.